And now the news in detail. Shillong police on Monday resorted to lathi charge and tear gas shelling at the protesters belonging to a pressure group Hinuthrep Integrated Territorial Organisation Hito near Greater Post Office in Shillong for attempting to advance towards the main secretariat. Earlier today, the group took out a rally from SBI main office till Sadar police station to escort its leaders who were summoned by the police for wearing black uniforms, claiming that it violates section 171 of CRPC. Soon after leaving the police station, protesters along with their leaders tried approaching the secretariat but were stopped by the police near Shillong Club. This resulted in a scuffle between the protesters and the police personnel, and the crowd was dispersed after a few rounds of tear gas canisters were fired. Meanwhile, Deputy Chief Minister, who is also in charge of Home Portfolio, Preston Tinsong, defended the police's action and said that the government is giving an opportunity within the ambit of the Constitution of India. He appealed to all the citizens of the state, including the NGOs, not to cross the limits as laws will be applied whenever and wherever necessary.
Yang nhất nay ở chỗ này đó, nomor bakal anh ka doon. Tidak ada lagi apa teng ki ong hana ba lebe nyu kulit. Kata ka banga kwa benong. So benong ba kino ni ai kalat kat kum ka kendon jong ka constitution jong India. Ba ngimla man sim. Ia ka ai hala ba jong. Bidon la ka jong ka betang, bidon la ka jong ka hok, ban protes bidon la ka jong ka hok. Kang bahap ni protes to binaya regularity ba de banaya. Kanang ba komo pi kanung dot ka jeng.
Meghalaya's Deputy Chief Minister, who is in charge